Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Mr. Governor, my governor, because I belong to so many states, and yours definitely is one of them. There was some kind of argument when I agreed to do something in Lagos, and people said, "Oh, why? Why this person? It's not even a Lagosian." I have to explain to them that we and family relations also pioneers in Lagos. I described one of our properties at the time. We sold most of them now. One of our earliest properties, Franklin, the that the water from the lagoon, the rainy season, used to flow into our sitting room. And as children, we used to capture the crabs and go and roast them. You can't be more citizen than that. And so, anytime I'm in Lagos, I'm home. Thank you so much, the governor. Thank you so much for your fellow conspirators. The family members who are part of that conspiracy, they will pay a heavy price. No problem. I'm still a very rigorous father, grandfather. I will punish all of you for conspiring. But thank you, George, the same. And love. There's very little more to say except that Mr. Governor, Cabinet, legislators, please carry on and improve on everything you have achieved for Lagos and for this nation. Thank you very much, all of you. You won't see me back here again. Thank you.